champions. So recently I have seen a lot of comments on Abhyas Test Series. Many students are asking, ma'am, is this year we have Abhyas Test Series? If yes, when it is available? There are so many doubts regarding this Abhyas Test Series, and in this video I am going to clear everything about that. So please watch this video till the end. So let us those students who have joined us this year or haven't following us for a long time, let me tell you what is this Abhyas Test Series. Okay, so Abhyas Test Series is a dedicated KCET test series, and we have launched it since 2023, and we have produced toppers from this test series year by year. Okay, and we have a proof for that also. These all students were a part of our Abhyas Test Series, and they have told us that the test series actually helped them in getting a good rank, in doing good practice. The questions that were asked in the test series where some of the questions were directly asked in the exam. So yes, this is a relevant and the best test series that is available for all of you in the market for KCET examination. Right now, when we all know what is this Abhyas Test Series, the next question that arises in all of our mind is, ma'am, how to get this test series? So let me come to this question. Okay, so we know this Abhyas Test Series is very, very important, but how to get it? So if you have following us for such for a time, you might have known that we have launched our KC90 online crash course, right? So here we are giving you 90 days online crash course for KCET and COMEDK 2026. So if you take the crash course for both the examinations, the price will be 9,999. Only KCET price is 5,999, and for only COMEDK the price is 5,999. Now what other things you will be getting here? Full class 11th and 12th syllabus coverage, chapter wise PYQs and DPPs, PU2 board test series, that is also free, live doubt classes, downloadable notes and PDFs, exclusive WhatsApp community. Now here's something which is hidden, that is those students who have taken our KC90, whether you have taken KC90 or only KCET 90 days or only COMEDK 90 days. Okay, so now see, you will be getting Abhyas KCET and COMEDK test series, okay, which worth rupees 6,000 is now absolutely available for all of you for free. Okay, now let me tell you what is the difference. If you have taken KC 90 days crash course, means for both KCET and COMEDK, you will be getting both the test series. If you have taken only KCET crash course, you will be getting only Abhyas KCET test series. If you have taken only COMEDK crash course, you will be getting Abhyas COMEDK test series, right? So now for all those students who have purchased or who are willing to take this KC90 crash course, online crash course, for all of them this Abhyas Test Series will be available in the month of November itself. You know, the batch is starting from 31st of October, classes will start from 1st. So by November 15, all of you will be able to access this test series. Okay, that's the good news for all those students who have taken KC90. Now the question is, ma'am, can we have only test series available? Can we have only test series available? Can we get only test series? The answer is obviously yes. Okay, only test series is also available. But when will we get that? When can we purchase that? So for that you need to stay tuned. That means we will be definitely launching only Abhyas Test Series also, but it will be slightly later. Okay, not at this point of time, it will be slightly later. And those students who have taken our KC90, since you have joined with us from the very beginning of the preparation, so we want to provide you something extra than others. We need to give you an additional benefit. So that is why for KC90 students, the Abhyas Test Series is available right from mid of November. But for other students, undoubtedly it is available, but the exact date and time will be notified to you as the time comes. So you need to stay tuned with us. Okay, so that was all about this today's video, and I hope that I have cleared all your doubts. So it is my humble and the best suggestion for all of you that please consider KC90 online crash course right now. If you are not interested for COMEDK, you can definitely trust us on only KCET 90 days crash course. Here we will be providing the entire syllabus, PYQs, DPPs. PYQs will also be in the form of test, and apart from that, this complete Abhyas test series is absolutely free for all of you. PU2 test series is absolutely free for all of you. So please consider this. Link is there in the description section. Check this and do consider purchasing this one. Thank you so much and all the best.